of chairman, there was one spot ballot. Comrade Anthony Hilton got 79 votes and Comrade Fitz Jackson 187.
When you subject yourself to the democratic process, there are one of two results, a win or a loss. Today, the delegates, I put my trust in the delegates, my faith in the delegates, still believe that's the best way to decide the question, and the delegates have chosen my competitor. I believe that the process was, so far as I can tell, was open and fair. I have no basis to object to the process, and therefore the outcome is an outcome that I accept, and the party demonstrates that its strength is in the democratic process.
I feel both elated and humbled, because what we have seen today is the placing of confidence by the NEC members in me to carry out a task. So there's an expectation and a confidence that they have in me, and therefore I have a responsibility not to disappoint the members and to fulfill that task for them on their behalf.